And this is for the 10 pack. This is the Hominy, made by Hominy. This is a square brushed nickel, silver door handle. And I already put one on right here. You can see on this door. Just repainted the cabinet, so that's what that looks like. I'll just show you right here. It comes with two different types of screws. So it comes with a standard one and then also comes with a longer one. If you have longer cabinets, you can break these off where you need it to be broken. If you break it all the way off, then it's going to be shorter than the original right there. But let's just put this in right here. And all you need is a drill with a Phillips head. And this sticks out just far enough to be able to put this on. Just like that. And this is what the finished product looks like. So it looks very nice and very modern. Definitely better than the round knobs that we had there before. And since this is a Jack and Jill bathroom, let's put them on this side as well. So let's put that through there. And just enough sticks out that we're able to get it on the threads. And like the way I'm doing it right now, I wouldn't spin these because I actually just freshly painted this cabinet, that you might scratch the paint. There we go. And there's the finished product. And I've got a few more of these to do, but they look great. And they look really great because they match the faucet that we have in here as well, which is a brushed nickel or silver faucet. So they match everything that we have right there to the doorknob. I highly recommend, definitely go grab some of these.